Dogecoin is up over 350%. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of KYC, Know Your Crypto. And on today's episode, we're going to talk about the crazy pump that's been going on over the last 24 hours with Dogecoin. At the time of this recording, Doge is up 350%. We're also going to talk about if Wall Street and the stock market can affect cryptocurrency. I do think we are seeing shades of that today. And then we're going to talk about where the crypto market might go next. As we can see by the chart here, yesterday on January 27th, Dogecoin was trading at just under 0.7 cents. It wasn't even 1 cent. And by the time we closed yesterday, Dogecoin was worth over 3.5 cents. So the question is, how did this all start? First, we must look to the online trading community on Reddit called Wall Street Bets. When Wall Street Bets, or WSB, caught wind that billion-dollar hedge companies were shorting a video game retail chain called GameStop, the community at WSB vowed to liquidate the shorts by pumping the price of GameStop. This is the GameStop chart. Its ticker is GME. On the hourly chart, you could see that a stock that was ultimately worth $38 on January 22nd peaked at over $500 less than a week later on January 28th. And what happened next was quite frankly shocking. In this article from The Guardian, popular trading exchange Robinhood announced that they would stop trades on GameStop entirely, essentially manipulating the market out in the open. Twitter was in a complete uproar. Isaac Paul tweets, Robinhood is no longer allowing users to do anything but close out their GME or AMC positions. Hard to put into words how outrageous that is. This is much more acutely the definition of manipulating the market. U.S. Congress seemed to agree with the uproar. As Cointelegraph reports, Congress announces hearings on stock market in light of Robinhood versus Reddit battle. Both the Senate and the House are looking into Wall Street's market practices, especially short selling. United States Representative AOC commented saying, "This is unacceptable. We now need to know more about Robinhood's decision to block retail investors from purchasing stock while hedge funds are freely able to trade the stock as they see fit. As a member of the Financial Services Committee, I'd support a hearing if necessary." Okay, so how does this relate to Dogecoin? As Cointelegraph reports, Dogecoin's tweet volume was up 1,800%, and it became the first altcoin to surpass Bitcoin ever. But hold your horses, Dogecoin did not pass Bitcoin in market cap. It was Dogecoin's tweet volume that surpassed Bitcoin over the last 24 hours. Still impressive though, as this is the first time we have on record that an altcoin has been tweeted more than Bitcoin over a 24-hour period. So why did everyone ape in and buy Dogecoin to pump the price? It's simple, and Elio Trades says it best. Dogecoin is a peaceful protest. So if we come back to the agenda for a second, we ask the question, where do we go from here? Well, now at the time of this recording, Dogecoin trading at over 4 cents, the question is, can it actually go to $1? And for that to happen, Dogecoin would still need close to a 100x. I think the better question is, can alt season start now? Well, looking at the daily chart of Dogecoin, on January 2nd, Dogecoin started the market with a huge pump. And wouldn't you know, exactly 1 day later on the Bitcoin dominance chart, January 3rd, Bitcoin dropped from 73 to 69%, kicking off an official downward trend of Bitcoin dominance a few days later on January the 10th. And look at what we have here. If we zoom out on the Bitcoin dominance chart, we can see a possible head and shoulders pattern forming. Left shoulder, head, and potentially the right shoulder forming. And if the right shoulder does in fact form, I see 3 scenarios playing out. A very dramatic nosedive for Bitcoin dominance, a more gradual downtrend of Bitcoin dominance, or a mixture of both, dramatic drop at the beginning and then a fluctuation on its way down, yielding alt season. So there you have it. Do you agree with my quick analysis regarding alt season and Bitcoin dominance? Were you able to catch the Dogecoin pump? Leave a comment below, and if you like this content, please subscribe. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next video.